Vlogmas, 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 Vlogmas. Hey my weirdos and weirdettes, welcome to my channel. But if you're already part of the crew, what it do? Oh, your girl lips is chapped. I'm not gonna do it to y'all. I'm not gonna do it to y'all. I'm not gonna do it to y'all. I know a lot of y'all be asking me why your lips always ashy in the video. Obviously because I don't like to wear chapstick or lip gloss. It's not that I don't like to wear it, I don't notice it. My lips be feeling fine to me, so for today's video, as you guys can see, I am going to be basically reviewing to you guys this luscious, pluscious, caductious, voluptuous hair. Look at this twist, y'all. Look at this crap. Look at this color. Like, yes. The hair that I use to get this hair, I'll leave the link down to the hair that I use exactly down below. I use, it's called Beyond. Let me just get the bag. It's called Beyond Beauty. The hair came in this pack here. It came with 3 packs of hair. As you can see, this is all I have left. This and coronavirus. My hair is like really full. I was not expecting it to be this full. I didn't want it this full. This actually just kind of like happened, like not like me trying to make it happen, but it just happened. I don't like when my hair is that full. I like when it's like more thinner because I feel like you can style it more, like it's not too thick to style and all that. But let me turn around. If y'all see it, my ponytail, like look how thick this ponytail would be, y'all. Like too freaking thick. Like I like the more like smaller poofy ponytails, you know, that look more natural. You get what I'm saying? So it's a little too full for my liking. Let's fix that on down. But it's still really cute and looks really nice and really shiny. Of course, within the next couple seconds or minutes, you guys will see like how I did the install and all of that. I just wanted to give you guys a few background on the hair. The hair is really good. Even when it came to like braiding it and tugging the hair, like as you can see, I have a tugged piece here. Like I tug this piece, even when it's like all tugged and you see it comes out so fuzzy and stuff, once you braid it, it's still smooth and silk and it's not hard to manage at all. And it's not like that rough Marty hair where it's like you struggle to braid the hair. It came with 3 packs. Each pack had 30 of these in them, like basically one string of hair. It had 30 of them in each pack. It came with 3, so that's about 90 pieces of hair. So I'm gonna count how much hair I have left. And I think that way I'll be able to tell you how much is in my head, because I'm not gonna sit here and count the hair on my head. Like we just not doing that. And I didn't like throw out any pieces or messed up any pieces, and I did pre-count each hair before, like when I open the pack I count each hair, because you know I gotta make sure they gave me everything for my coins. Alright, so there are 16 pieces of hair left. So you know we are mathematicians over here. So 90 minus 16 is 74. So I guess I installed 74 braids in my hair. Wow, that's crazy. 74, maybe less, who knows. But for right now we're gonna go with 74. But dang, this feels like so much more. It looks like, it don't look like more than 74 to y'all. It looks like so much more. Like it's so full. I'm gonna do a real quick turn for you guys. Keeping this in my hair for 3 months because I'm going on this hair growth journey. If y'all see this video, y'all gonna see how bald headed I am. I just did a big chew up. So we're doing this hair growth journey with as little manipulation as possible so we can get as much growth as possible. So y'all can subscribe for that. So yeah, I think that's it. I told y'all what hair I use. Oh, I got the hair in a, I believe it's a 12 or 16 inch. Right, so I got the hair in a 12 inch. As you guys can see, like right here, it does kind of, well, it's a little bit longer than 12 inch, but when you braid it and you stretch it out, it's like really long. It's like almost damn near like 18 to 20 inches. Like it's really long. Like really long. Let me show y'all with one string. So basically, like together like this, it would be about maybe 12 inches. But look at this, you can stretch this. See, my hands are here. Look how it's almost as wide as both of my arms. My arms, it is as wide as both of my arms open together. Guess how much it cost me, y'all, for all 3 packs together in a bundle? What y'all thought? Wait, how much y'all said? Wrong. It was $26. Maybe y'all get it right next time. It was only $26 for the 3 pack, and it was well worth it, y'all. Well worth it. And we're gonna get right into the tutorial. Alright, y'all, so y'all already know what kind of hair I brought. I got Beyond Beauty's hair. It comes with 3 packs. There's 30 pieces of hair in each pack. Y'all know the gist. It also came with some hair jewels and some clips to kind of hold your hair. So let me start by saying that I have freshly washed hair. I'm about to moisturize it and detangle a little bit. As I told you, I did do a big chop, so I'm kind of bald-headed scallywag right now, but it's okay. It's okay. If you notice, most of my hair is free parted, so there's not like any boxes. Nobody has time for that. When I free part, I don't got to worry about my lines being straight. I don't need to do the whole double mirror thing. We just don't got time for that. So now you see I have a banana clip. You're going to need 2 banana clips. This first one, you're going to use it to kind of hold one piece of hair out of your way for now while you try to go ahead and get that hair moisturized. I pulled out my House of Organic Beauty Shea Butter. You guys, this is the truth. A little goes a long way, and it be having my hair feel so moisturized. And you know, you want to keep them natural tresses protected and moisturized under that protective style. So I'm doing a little finger detangling. Of course, I used only 1 strand to do each braid. I didn't need more than 1 strand. All I did was just fluff it out a bit, and that actually helped each braid to be a little bit more thicker and fluffier. So there we have it, the fluffed out braid. I'm gonna try to describe how I braid, but it's kind of hard. But I did split my hair into 3. So 2 pieces will be with a piece of weave, and then the last piece will be by itself. And you could kind of just start to braid, you know, 1 piece under the other, 1 piece under the other. Now, don't forget that when you're braiding, try to braid as tight, not too tight so you don't do any breakage, but it's good tight so that it can have a grip. Now, you need your second banana clip to hold that grip so that when you start twisting, you don't put any strain on your hair. Shine and jam! Yes, to keep it looking all neat. Again, a little goes a long way. I only put it at the ends of my hair to keep it tucked away because as you can see, my hair is really short. Okay, so here I'm going to show you how I twist. As you can see, my right finger always has the hair above it, and it's always grabbing the hair from my left hand. You guys have to ensure that you're going to twist and you're twisting in the right direction, because then your passion twist won't come out right. It has to look like a rope. Y'all see that? Y'all see that twisting, that twisting, that twisting, that twisting? Yes. When we get towards the end, we're gonna do like a little twirly thingamajiggy to kind of just, you know, wrap the ends around each other. Kind of just have the curls entwine a little bit. We're gonna do that now. See the little entwine? And of course, you want to grab a scissor to dust the ends so that it's like mad neat. And there you have it. Your beautiful passion twist. Your passion fashionista. Yeah. But I think that's it. That's really covers like the specs and the nitty gritty of this hair. If you guys have any questions or whatever about this hair, make sure you leave it down below. Put it down in the comment section. I think y'all seen the tutorial. If I missed anything in the tutorial, please let me know. Let me know what I missed and let me know why I didn't cover. Let me know what y'all would have liked to see, like part of the braiding or anything like that. Just let me know. Don't just forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell button to be notified. And don't forget to tell a friend. Tell a friend. Just tell a friend. Tell a friend. Tell a friend. Won't you tell a friend? Won't you tell a friend? Won't you tell a friend? Just tell a friend. Go tell a friend. And we tell a friend. Tell a friend. I think I was so offbeat. But it's okay. It's okay. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe again. I think I already said that. So until next time, peeps. Deuces!